Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new subscription service to talk to you guys about, or at least it's new to me. It's called Spiritu. This is what the box looks like. And this is a quarterly box, so it ships out 4 times a year. It's $39.95 or $39.99, and you're supposed to get more than $100 worth of products in your box. It says every Spiritu box is especially curated with over $100 in value and includes a combination of beauty, lifestyle, and artisanal products. And it's delivered 4 times a year, like I said. It's a they're a brand new community for women, and it also says that for each box that is sold, Espiritu will give back to our community of Latina creators and entrepreneurs. So it's supporting Latinas, especially creators and entrepreneurs. All right, so let's go into the box and see what is in here. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's a beautiful like mauve color. And let's see how I can place this. So you get this little pamphlet right here that tells you about what Espiritu is and what is inside the box and the retail values and everything for it. So it says, thank you for joining Spiritu, a platform for women that supports and features Latina entrepreneurs and creators. We hope you love your winter box and all of its amazing products inside. So that's that right here, and then I'm going to open it up and have that here so I can tell you guys everything. We also get this $2 off coupon from the Seaweed Bath Company, and it says $2 off any one Seaweed Bath Company product at any Target store. So you could use this at Target. I'm not sure what they sell, what the Seaweed Bath, I imagine they're bath products obviously, but I'm not sure what they are. I've never. Then we also get this little thing that says Michael Kors Sparkling Blush, the new brilliant fragrance. And it says, Dear Spiritu community, we are thrilled you are able to experience our newest Michael Kors fragrance. So I'm guessing it's inside this box. Sparkling Blush, a true jewel of a fragrance. It's a blend of mouth-watering leash infused with radiant rose petals and wrapped in sandalwood, a modern expression of a woman who knows how to truly shine. That sounds interesting. And then this one says, welcome to Spiritu, designed by Mexican artist Tania Peregrino. This box has over 150 of beauty and lifestyle goodies from some of our favorite brands. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community. Help us spread the love by sharing Spiritu with your friends and followers. So that's nice. And then we are inside the box. All right, so this is what this looks like right here. First thing is another pamphlet, but apparently it comes with this right here. It says, get stronger and get that booty. And this is a workout guide for a better butt. And this is the guide that you can use with this band right here. That comes in here. And let's see what this retails for. It says exercise resistance band and workout by Salty Curls, and this is $5. So this is a resistance band. If you guys know, I'm pretty sure you guys know about resistance bands, like with the little handles. This one apparently is a little bit different. It doesn't have like the handles. I'd be scared to use this, like thinking that it would break. But here she has like the little workouts and stuff, and she uses it like, it stretches a lot. If you can see there. So that looks good. Next thing in here is a little like friendship bracelet. This is so cute. It's sourced from Colombia, which I love my Colombians. It says it's a handmade Colombian macrame bracelet for $10. This is so pretty. I love the colors. And it says, sourced from Medellin, Colombia, and handmade by local artisans, these macrame bracelets, or manillas, as they are commonly named there, are one of the local favorites worn both around the country and abroad. The weaving technique carries the ancestral influence of tribes like the Wayu. They come in a variety of beautiful styles and colors. I love that. This is gorgeous. See, this is what it would look like on. This is beautiful. I love it. And I love that it's from Medellin. Guys, if you don't know, I watch a lot of Colombian like novelas or series from like Medellin especially. I love them so much. Okay, so we have something here from the Seaweed Bath Company. And this is, which one is this? This is the Restoring Marine Serum. And this is a detox and age-defying serum. And this retails for $24.99. So this is the size right here. It is 1 ounce. And it smells really nice. It smells clean. And this says, this clinically proven seaweed-infused restoring marine serum quickly penetrates skin surface layers to give you visibly healthier and more youthful-looking skin. It's great for all skin types, not to mention is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. The next thing in here is from Bobbi Brown. I like this. And this is a Bobbi Brown Mini Luxe Lip Color in Red Velvet. And this retails for $24. Bobbi Brown is expensive, guys. This is the packaging, little mini lippy. And this is the color right here. So beautiful. I'm going to swatch it because you know. Yes, that is definitely a color up my alley. Definitely. I'm loving that. Excited about that. And the next thing in here is a pop socket. And it is the Custom Spiritu Pop Sockets Grip. And it has like their little logo on the bottom. It's very cute. And this retails for $10. I'm sure you guys know what a pop socket is. Next thing in here is from Tresemme, and this is a full size. This is the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray, and this retails for $4.99. And yeah, that's all it is. It's a smooth hold level 2 lightweight coverage hairspray. I like the bottle that it kind of goes in. I like that. And this smells good, really good. Hairspray is never too much to have. And then we have two things from Soft Soap. This one is a moisturizing triple milled bar soap in coconut and fig. Oh, this smells so good. My gosh. This retails for $3.49. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. I like this. And this is paraben free and dye free. And then we also got a hand soap, which is the same thing, coconut and fig, and it smells really, really good. This retails for $2.47. So we got that. And the last thing in here, I left it for last because it was very interesting to me. We got a Michael Kors sparkling blush perfume. Are you serious? Like, this is the 1 ounce size, and it retails for $68. I need to smell this. I really do. I can't believe we got a Michael Kors perfume in here. The bottle is absolutely adorable. Like, I cannot. Oh my god, I think this smells good. Sparkling blush. I love the name. So beautiful. I'm not sure how I feel about it though. I'm not sure how I feel about the smell. I have to let it dry, I think. It's kind of a nice smell. It isn't the type of smell that I'm attracted to or that I would usually wear. I'm not sure that I would like this. I don't think it's for me, but it's really cool that we did get a Michael Kors perfume in this box. Now, my final thoughts on this box, or my first impression, I guess, on the box. Yes, we do get a Michael Kors perfume and a Bobbi Brown mini lippy, but everything else isn't really, unless you want to count this serum, which is a small amount, you know, everything else doesn't really like add up for me to pay $40 for it. I'm of course I understand the perfume. I understand the perfume is worth more than $40, but I'm not so sure if the box is 100% worth it. Like, I don't know if I would get this every quarter. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if I would want to pay $40 every quarter to get like a hand soap and a hairspray, and you know what I mean, and a perfume that, yes, it's expensive, but I like, in my case, I didn't necessarily like it for me. I mean, it's an okay smell, but it's not really something that I would technically wear. You know what I mean? So I don't know if I would get this box again. I'm not exactly sure. Luckily for me, I was able to get the box at a lesser price for being the first time, and that's why I decided to go ahead and try it out. If the product's better a little bit, I would probably definitely consider getting another box. These things I love. I think that they should continue putting these things in there. The Bobbi Brown lippy I really like. It's a mini size, but I do like it. But everything else that's kind of like drugstore and things like that, like, it smells really good. I really like the soap. I'm happy that I got a hand soap, but I don't know if I would want to pay, like I said before, $40 for that and a perfume that I'm not going to be able to use. You know what I mean? So I love the idea behind it, and I would definitely get another box if the products are just a little tad bit better for me, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and like first impression, and if you guys are interested, I will have the link down below so you guys can subscribe to them and get their box. I definitely love the idea. I definitely love that they do these things. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, the usual, as I always say, and I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.